So, a lot has been said about Elon Musk since he took over Twitter and how he could help impact the cryptocurrency market by utilizing a monetization option, perhaps in Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Shiba Inu, or maybe Twitter coin. Like we've heard all of these sort of things, but Elon Musk recently promises to monetize Twitter user content very soon. Will Dogecoin pump on this news, and could Shiba Inu also be included in on this, right? That's what we're going to dive into in this video. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping back, and make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe down below, help push this up in the old YouTube algorithm. Elon Musk promises to monetize Twitter user content soon, Dogecoin to pump. So Elon has made several changes related to Twitter since he promised after taking over the social media giant last year. Twitter CEO Elon Musk confirmed earlier that creators will be able to monetize content on Twitter. He really wants to bring a lot of content creators to Twitter and utilize video as well as, again, having those options to monetize your tweets. A Twitter user on Saturday said his tweet impressions exceeded 1 million for the first time, but the problem is that he doesn't know how to monetize it. The tweet impressions reached 1.37 million, up 102%. And this is the same for so many people, right? They're very active and engaging on Twitter. They've grown a great following, but they still right now cannot monetize their tweets. So Elon also responded to Billy Marcus, Dogecoin founder, who replied to let him know that he figures out, to let him know once he figures out a method for turning tweets into money. Elon said, "We're working on it." That was yesterday, tweeted back at Shibatoshi Nakamoto. Interestingly enough, developer Nima Oji revealed that Twitter is still advancing the development of the virtual asset coins. The Twitter developer version has updated the function and usage announcement of coins. A label on Twitter shows the amount of Twitter coins that a tweet has received. Dogecoin's graphics designer, Doge designer, said the amount of Twitter coins received is likely to be displayed on every tweet. However, Elon Musk didn't comment on it. So imagine if right there on the tweet you could choose to tip in Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or Bitcoin or Ethereum or maybe even Twitter coin. See, that would make a lot of sense if they actually used a Twitter coin, because you can load your balance up like you would on YouTube, right? Sending US dollars to people in live streams or live chats. You could do that in Twitter, right? And just load your balance up with $10 and send 10 cents when you read a great tweet, or 20 cents or what have you. Now, it'll be interesting to watch this play out. If Elon does decide to use existing cryptocurrencies, I think Dogecoin obviously has a significant chance of being one of those, but I also think Shiba Inu has a great chance to be included. It's the next in line behind Dogecoin. If we know that Elon Musk loves the memes, loves Doge, then he might love SHIB too, because it's a perfect fit along with that, meme currency, if you will, if that's the aim that he's going for Twitter. But just wanted to bring you up to speed on this story. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Are you excited about this, the future of Twitter, and how it can help amplify cryptocurrency and also help you and us as creators, which I think we all should be creators at this point in this type of digital economy? Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video.